It's the second day of the ARB Show, the UK's largest arboricultural event, and we're on, which is as usual, a pretty big, pretty impressive Timberwolf stand where I'm joined by Guy. Guy, how are you?
I'm very well, thank you very much, very well.
Yeah, great. So we say it's quite a big, busy Timberwolf stand. What have you brought to the show to show people?
The full range. We've got the full range of Timberwolf product here, but particularly today we've got we're launching the TW280HB Diesel as well as our 40 horsepower petrol.
Ah, perfect. So yeah, you've mentioned it here, the diesel, the 280 TW Diesel, which is first time many people will see it, first launch event in the UK. Tell me about this machine.
It's what people have asked for. We've recently launched a hybrid, perhaps 3 years ago now, onto the market, which has been very popular. This is an extension to the range to give people, well, what they've been asking for as well.
So what, because that's interesting, because you mentioned the hybrid there, that's certainly been a big push for Timberwolf in the last couple of years, but this is kind of going back to diesel. Why are people asking for that? What's driving that demand?
Well, the hybrid's very much still got its place relating to people that are looking for lower emissions, perhaps lower fuel costs and that type of thing. But with the 8-inch diesel, people wanted to see a 55 horsepower and added back to the range. So here we are.
Right, okay. And in terms of the performance, compared to what the previous model, how does that compare?
Well, it's got a Hyundai 55 horsepower engine in, so the performance is up there with everyone in the industry, and we're very proud of it,
Yeah, great. So this is the first time it's been shown off. It's obviously been, it's the second day. As I say, there's been a lot of traffic. What's the reaction been like for the machine?
Very strong. I mean, we're very lucky. We had a number of pre-orders before the show.
Okay.
So coming to the show, we're actually showing to people that already bought the product as well. So this is the first time they would have seen it, or yesterday was the first time they would have seen it. So it's been a very positive day. Yesterday was particularly busy.
Okay. And so do you think then going forward that's going to be, you're going to have that hybrid option, but also the diesel option for people too?
Well, exactly. It's all about the range and giving people the choice. So depending on what they're looking for, then they can come to Timberwolf to get what they need.
And do you see being a particular type of tree work, people will favour the diesel over the hybrid? Did you see a particular type of jobs?
It depends on what the company want to do. For example, the hybrid is particularly useful for people looking for lower emissions and things like that. Perhaps there's got some restrictions on their contracts or requirements on their contracts, and if people are looking for a full diesel, then that's also here as well.
Yeah, great. So in terms of the diesel, so it's just launched last week. Is it available now? Can people get it?
Absolutely. So I mentioned some pre-orders that we've had already. So yesterday as well, we took some orders at the stand. So best thing is to do, go to your local Timberwolf dealer, give them a call and ask about it, and you can get a demo, see what it's like, and go from there.
Perfect. I understand it's kind of been shown off at the diesel before it was shown off here, so the dealers had a wee chance to see it and so on.
Yes.
What did they make of it?
Well, with all our dealers, we make sure that the guys have got all the information they've got from a sales training perspective and also from a support side of things. Again, it's some of the dealers have been involved with the development of it, as with some of the end customers that we've got as well. So it's something that we brought to market when it's ready. It's in production right now as well. We don't have to wait for that. So yeah, please come and try it and come and buy it.
Yeah, perfect. So just kind of more generally then with Timberwolf, as you say, it's quite an impressive stand. There's a lot here. You obviously have the various range, the Ryco range. I was trying to remember the name there for some reason. That's out of my head, but you've got the Ryco range as well. I mean, how are things for Timberwolf at the moment?
It's a very good year. So Ryco, you mentioned, we've obviously being owned by Alamo Group, we've brought the Ryco range to market it was the beginning of the year last year. So that's part of the family and is sold through the dealer network as well. Business is good. I mean, it's buoyant. We've still got some challenges relating to recruitment for some bits and pieces, but I think we're on top of all of that. So yeah, no, we're in a good place, and looking forward to a really good year. Yeah,
and so just kind of more generally, then, what is it arborists are telling you they want? What do they want from their chippers at the moment, arborists?
It's more of the same really. Reliability. Give us we want less downtime and more reliability, so that's what we continue to do. I mean, the ethos behind the design for Timberwolf products is about making it easy to own and easy to use. So with that being the case, then it's easy to maintain and just make it as simple as possible. So you'll see improvements on the products, which you'll see in the demo area relating to just little bits and pieces that people have been asking for.
Yeah, perfect. Well, listen, it's clearly an exciting time for Timberwolf. It's great to see this, and clearly a demand's going to be there for it. Guy, thanks very much for speaking to us.
Pleasure. Thank you.
Shake, I like that. Enjoy the show.
Cheers.